using two machines, one for server and one for client. So I took one dynamic IP address from the DHCP server 192.168.159.153. On this machine now we will host NFS, and this is my other machine which I am using for a client. Don't talk please. This machine IP address is what here 152. So in the server machine you have to just install the package NFS utils. Package is already installed. Simple, create a one folder, whichever the folder you want to do what share. Inside the folder, for testing purpose, add some data, NFS sharing, file name, this file created to test, NFS sharing. Then some directories I am adding, mkdir, for example, zoom 1 to zoom 15. Okay, and on this folder give the full access along with sticky bit on entire content. Capital R means what? Recursive, not only to the folder but also inside the content of the folder. And 1 means sticky bit. Check it. See, we gave full access along with the sticky bit on the folder name zoom share. In the zoom share we added some data here, and on the complete data also we gave full access. Okay, now after this just open the configuration file of NFS exports. Export is a configuration file. In this you have to define the parameters something like this. The folder name, among how many clients, all, star means. Correct. If you need any specific machine, if you want to share data, then you have to define that client IP address. Only one. Multiple if you have, you can do separate by providing the spaces. Then open bracket, read write, comma, sync. Synchronization. So whatever the client do data write, the complete data will be replicated to where here? Yes please, server machine. Then like this way I want also to share one more device, that is called DVD. That is called what here? DVD. So DVD I mounted on media. So that is why I gave what? Media. So RO means only read permission. Come out, restart the service. Okay. Then you have to do show mount -e server IP. What is a server IP? 159.153. So you can see here we are having the folder name. It is showing the folder whatever whichever we have shared. Now you go to client machine. From the client machine, if at all if you want to share, you have to do what? Mount. So before you mount, you better apply this command in the client also. 159.153. So in the server machine, these are the two share folders we are sharing. From the client, you can use mount server IP 153. The folder name is what? Zoom share. We are mounting on MNT. Now you go to MNT, type ls. The data you can able to do what? Share. Not only you can share, but also you can able to do what? Write. So something here you see now, I'm writing some data here, NFS. This file can be accessed by all network users. Now you come to server here, you can go to Zoom share folder, you can read the file. Are you getting all of you? Yes, you can able to do what? Share. Now say for example here, if at all if you want to write any data, you can do what? Write your data 1 to data 10. The data of the client also will be replicated to where? Server. But client cannot do what? Delete. Because there we have applied what here? Sticky bit. And there we have also configured the DVD ROM. That client can be deleted. Yes. That also we can be secure. But for that you need to configure other advanced file permission called group group permissions. That is called SGID. Now generally what happens is, if you are a user, if you create your data, so the data will come with the owner and group owner of yours. That is why you are able to delete. But as an admin, I want your data also. I don't want your data to be deleted by you manually. So then I have to apply a kind of permission whenever you create a folders or a data, that has to be automatically created with the owner and group owner of root. Then you don't be have that permission for deleting. So that is like I have shown one of the example is sticky bit. Like that we are having SUID and SGID. By using that we can avoid it. And now there is a one more folder like DVD ROM we have mounted. And if you want to use the DVD ROM of server here, you can use by using what? 153 media, enter. See, the server media I mounted in where here? Client. So in the client machine, even if you don't have any DVD ROM available, you can access or share your server DVD ROM in the client system. Now you can go to the packages directory and you try to install any package, you can able to install from server. LSI command I gave, it will list all the packages. Now you see, I want to install one of the package, something say yum update boot. Okay, so I can use the command yum update boot. See, I can able to do what? Install this package. And if you want to get any information about the package, you can use rpm-qi yum update. Okay, like this way you can do what here? You can do install. This is the runs em update on system boot. This allows machine that have turned off for an extended amount of time to become secure immediately instead of waiting until the next early morning cron job. Understand? I mean the purpose of the package. Got it? Please do this copy once. See in NFS server what to do, install the package, create folder, give permissions, provide the NFS directory in the configuration file, restart the service.